first of all, what you need to hear today. Random sketching pad. I'm using quite a big one in Dana Rowney A3 mixed media paper. And some random pencils. Graphite pencils. These ones are actually from my art kit. Just random pencils, but they work nice, so it'll do. As before I start drawing, I always practice sketching lines. Starting fresh.
Draw a diamond. Draw an oval. A sweepy hill shape. Add in the line under that. Add in the corner. Circle inside that. Make the top lash line darker. And add many little upwards going lashes. Make sure they follow the direction of the eye. And lots of longer overlapping lashes, lots of them going downwards. Make some darker and some lighter. Make some of the ones going upwards a little darker. Start colouring in the pupil. Make it as dark as you can. And keep in mind reflections. Now draw lots of inwards going lines from the outside of the iris. And lots of outwards going lines from the inside. Just little squiggly lines. And somehow it looks realistic. Don't ask me how. Now shade in the corneas. Start adding in longer lashes going upwards. Well, if you want yours to look like an Instagram model, add lots of lashes going downwards from the outside going in, and they get further away from each other. Now shade in these white of the eye, as it's never actually white. Add some shadows beneath the lashes and some shading on the skin. Now I'm just going to grab some paper tissue. Don't ever use your fingers to blend. If you've got blended stuff, great, but this is a really easy way to get a soft blend. Now, I'm just grabbing my Faber Castell eraser pencil to create some brighter highlights and rub out the original diamonds I drew, which you should probably do a lot earlier than I am. I'm just adding some finishing touches and done.